Gonna go check out the shop. See what Adam's been building. Oh, here we go. What do you call these?
Mini bike.
Just, yeah, but like, is there a term with the ones that don't got the suspension? They're just like a little...
No, just a
little yard ripper.
mini bike. Just
little mini bike. Little Coleman. He's got the big dog here. What's the start of somewhat of a shifter cart? It's all made from scrap. Most of these are, except for the frames of these guys, but it's gonna be some sort of cross cart creation here. And then the bad boy, the tub. All right, so people are definitely gonna ask, what is it? What does it do?
It is a wheelbarrow tub it's actually two wheelbarrow tubs and welded together. It's got a 420cc just a utility motor with a stage 1. So it's, for the people in the States, it's a 420 Predator motor. Yeah, it's got a stage 1 kit on it. Makes about 14 or 15 horsepower. It's a fun little toy. It's my little mini tea bucket.
Man, it looks sick. Got some funky steering going on here, eh?
Yep. So it's a chain drive steering system, but you get a reduction through the small gear up top, and large gear at the bottom, full mechanical advantage. And that's the chain tensioner right here. Is just the hood ornament is the. So that's the chain tensioner. Make sure she's nice and tight.
Oh, that's pretty sweet. Notice the handbrake on it.
Oh yeah, she's got the rear handbrake, hydraulic rear handbrake.
Oh, there we go.
Tied into the brake lights for, you know.
Oh yeah, gotta be DOT approved.
Still a few little things I gotta do to it, but
yeah. No,
like
it looks like it goes pretty good.
Well, we'll see here in a couple minutes.
Yeah. It's so cool. That's too fast. Oh my god, that thing's so crazy. I don't know if I want to get in it. So we did some donuts there, and oh, she bent that. She bent that. Yeah, no, the only thing I was wondering was how powerful this motor. And that just summed up the answer. He'll get her rebuilt here soon. Yeah, looks like the chain snapped and she gummed up real good.
Minor setbacks for major fun.
That's it. But aside from that, she's a pretty wicked little rig. Like, he was flying by there. Head on over to Adam Reynolds Everything on Instagram.
On TikTok. I think that's it.
Yeah.
More on Instagram.
Adam Reynolds Everything, and he's got the full breakdown of this build from beginning to now, basically, and Same with a few of his other builds, so go show him some love. And yeah, we're gonna go clean the buggy and get back out into the back field. So we'll go break my machine now. It's the next one on the block, so.
Watch me.